Now, although that may seem pretty cool, this video is not about that. It's about that. Next to me, you have this Ram TRX that we did with our WMS 900 package. This truck put down 807 to the ground on 37s, 1350 20s. My dyno reads super low. It's about 12% off. Do the math. But this video is not about the performance or the statue or how badass the truck is. As you can see, we're doing an interchiller and we're mating it up with our hybrid cooling system that we just released. But it's not about that. I want to address the problem that every single TRX owner faces, whether it's stock height, whether it's leveled, whether you have the iBot kit with the 37s, it doesn't matter. Whether you race this thing, crawl it through the mall, crawl it through the mud, you jump this thing. The biggest thing that I'm trying to address is the CV angle issue. So we've been working with OnTrack 4x4 out of Australia. They came, saw what we were doing. We exchanged words. We talked about problems in the US with the TRX community. They had a pretty solid billet kit that drops the differential. So they gave me some preliminary numbers. I said, hey, just shoot me a set. This is a problem that I'm trying to solve. All of our high horsepower trucks, all of our stock trucks, Ram TRX Racing, all of the communities that we're in are facing this. And right now, just buying axles doesn't make sense for everybody, especially if we're going to 3, 4, 5 pairs. So now, the way that this kit works is essentially it drops the differential down, and we had before and after measurements. In total, we saw about a 1.34 inch drop on the differential, which equates to about a 5-degree angle difference. And I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and say, hey, this is going to eliminate the problem 100%. It's not, but it's going to reduce it substantially. Because here in a second, what you're about to see is a truck with the 2-inch leveling kit on 37s has the same CV angle as a stock TRX on 35. So what does that mean for you guys with the stock wheels and tires? Your CV angle is going to be reduced. And if you don't know what a CV angle is, there's a link down below where I explain in detail why these axles break. And I did that a year ago, and a year later, everybody's starting to see that I wasn't full of, you get it. So let's look at it, but I want to highlight the CV angle so we can see this. We've already got data road testing this car on 37s. This weekend, this is going to be racing. So we got a drag pack, we got some Ignite, we're going to go party, we're going to go have fun. We're going to bring the truck back over here, take a look, take measurements, see if it's wearing, see if we break any axles, and provide that feedback. So tune in, enjoy. So essentially, we are looking at this CV angle, which you can see the axle boot here that's known for tearing. This truck is on 37s. This is better than stock with a 2-inch leveling kit. So this is phenomenal. I'm so excited. Driver and passenger axles are the same. So this is pretty dope. I'm super happy. The measurements check out. The truck is phenomenal. I mean, let's look at this. You can see it's lifted with the springs. 37s, for those of you who don't believe me, these are massive. And look at that CV angle. The improvement is so nice back to front. Looking at that, oh my God, that's night and day difference. So stay tuned. And if you guys have any questions on how this works, again, I'm going to post a link down below so you guys can check it out.